Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Subaru Legacy Touring Wagon. It is 4x4. It has the 2.0 liter non-turbo 4-cylinder EJ20 with an automatic transmission. This Legacy has 54,346 miles. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. It does come with 4 doors alongside with 1 rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. This vehicle also comes in kilometers, not miles. The number that y'all are seeing at the bottom right here, 87,464. That is the kilometers. The miles out again is 54,346. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are on the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. I did want to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate it. It really does mean a lot to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.